Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna play Slime RNG again. You see that I'm already prepared for admin abuse. Kaboom! And I am the dice setup is wait, what? No event. What do you mean no event? No. But what about brother? I today we are just gonna roll. Should I waste time chat? Chat should I? Okay chat. I'll waste it chat. Boom, beep, bop, bada boom. Bang, bang. Now it's time. Boom and kaboom. Bruh. Holy scam ball. No, that was a scam ball. I repeat, that was a scam ball. And boom. Bruh. Dude, you for serious? No. I am gonna come out. What did I get? This, bruh. This, bro. Alright, let's go crafting. We're gonna go crafting, guys. Let's just get in. I'm almost so close to the rebirth. So, yeah. And boom. That is my puffy. We already got a huge one, I mean. Huge UFO. Bigger than this. Boom. And oh damn it. Let's next. Did I already have a science time? Let's check if I already have one. I already have one. Tung 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 cha. My rifle. Tomato chatak matak. Please. Boom. Oh man, but second sweetie to that name. Let me actually XP transfer real quick. Bam. First of all, but by the way, guys, I got the legendary wheel spin. Let's see what I get. Oh. I'll take that. Let's go XP sharing. Where is this guy to? Where's my sandal? Fine. Come in. My usual. Boom. Beep. Bop. Bada boom. Beep. Now sword barrages. Yep. Right, we are gonna roll still. This is what I have right now. Bam. And I have a universe fruit just in case if I get my new best. Oh, I forgot to feed my other two. Yo, take this. Bang. Other guy can keep it ready. Guys, gold roll nothing. Diamond roll, yeah. By the way, guys, it's showing that tomorrow no admin abuse is there. I'll update y'all tomorrow if there's admin abuse or not. Alright, guys, yeah. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for 10 subscribers. That really means a lot to me. Yeah. By the way, my friend Kevin did not come today. He had fever. Yeah, that's why. By the way, guys, today we'll play Rivals also. Sorry for exposing it. Hey, brother. I have this zappy right now, right? Yeah. You see that? What? What if I get? Where is it? Zappy. Big Zappy is already in the quadrillions. Oh, let me get this. Bam. Please. Oh my god, so close. It's so close, man. Diamond roll is about to come. Shit. Let's see. I have almost 5 as X as X. So let's see what I can buy. I need 10 SX for the luck. For the luck. By the way, I have a Bemmy. Before itself, I had this Bemmy twice. Then now, wait, what? Big Astro is almost better than. It's actually better than this huge Halo. But I have Snatch that's just new. Ooh. These are big, right? Yeah, really big dino. Shiny dino. Hoppity. Yeah. I control left. You data. Ha. Let's go. And stop. Open. Start. Bang. And now. Boom. Alright, bruh. Slash. It's alright. Well, guys, that's it for today. I don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys. Bye. Yeah, bye, guys. Yeah, that I will end the video now. Actually, now I'm gonna end the video. Bye.